guys, happy Friday. For today's styling session, I'm going to tell you how I like to style the Lucca table. This is also like any really large side table that you have in your home. Because I'm sitting kind of in a floating area and I know that there's not an outlet anywhere in sight, I'm not going to use a lamp. Instead, I'm going to use this really big, beautiful plant. Something living would be amazing, or this one's faux but looks very realistic. So you want to bring height onto your table. Next thing is I like to use something really large to sort of ground it. We want to try and avoid a lot of little things when we're styling. So this is the new Tom Ford book, and then objects from there. More than anything, also, you need to leave space for each person sitting down to be able to put a drink down, put their phone down, whatever they're working with, to put it down, have a conversation, and just like forget it. So plenty of white space too. So a book, something living, and some objects. That's kind of the formula that I use, and you're going to want to graduate heights as well. That's how I style the Lucca.